Hey there, tubers. Mario's Hobbies here. I bought myself a hoopty. I got $1,000 minivan there. It was a lady owned it. She passed away, and her husband ended up selling it to me. But they only city drove it. They didn't really drive it on the highway, and I bought it for really cheap, knowing that I have to fix some stuff on it. And this is one of the things that I had to fix. I actually thought I had a transmission or a differential problem, and it was very hard to detect because there was no videos on YouTube on anything like this. What would happen was when I would put it in from drive to reverse, it would make a nasty noise. Or if like I went from park to drive, it would just make a nasty noise. It sounded like the transmission, like when I was engaging it from, it sounded like something was going on with the transmission. But then when I got my wife to turn the wheel, I could kind of feel it in my feet. When I got my wife to turn the wheel, and she was going reverse to drive to reverse, I was watching this shaft move, and this wasn't. It was like, it was, and I could hear it crunching. I could actually hear it crunching. And so I knew right away, and I didn't think it was that, because look, it looks perfectly fine. But if I were to grab it and move them both opposite directions, you can hear it, how nasty it is. And I just wanted to make this video because, like I said, I don't know if I already mentioned, but I was trying to look for videos on something like this, and wow, I mean, I've had mechanics tell me that my transmission was no good, and my differential was no good, and I actually found this myself. So yeah, I'm so happy that it was that, and nothing major like what a transmission or differential on a front wheel drive car is. Disaster, right? So I'm happy it wasn't that. And yeah, so you guys are having that problem. You're hearing a noise going from park to reverse, or from reverse to drive, or either or, especially when it heats up. Just have someone turn the wheel there and have a look at the CV shaft there. Or even if you have a rear wheel drive car, this can happen on a drive shaft as well. Same thing applies, right? And like I said, it was just so weird because look, there is no grease, no nothing coming out. This side is actually perfectly fine, nothing wrong. But yeah, this is the side where the wheel was. So I hope this helps you out, guys. Yeah, still some things I have to fix on the vehicle that are obvious, but this was like hidden, and people were telling me some scary stuff. So I'm happy that I found it and it wasn't that. And yes, this clamp here, sorry, the clamp is here. It looked like on the part there that the clamp was missing. Maybe the grease would have shot out, but that wasn't even at the side. Here's the other clamp, is still on here. And yeah, see, no rips, no nothing. So yeah, I hope this helps you out, guys. Cheers, have a good one. Mario's Hobbies.